So I'm always looking for things that get my kid off a screen and actually doing something creative with their hands. And I came across the Shuttle Art fabric paint set and thought, let me just see if this is something they'd actually enjoy, or if it ends up sitting in the closet like half the craft stuff I've bought before. This has 24 colors, including glow-in-the-dark, glitter, and metallic options. That alone was enough to make you think, there's a real chance this lands. So let's open it up and show you what it's all about. So the set comes with everything you actually need to get started. You got 24 paint colors, brushes, a pen for detail work, fabric sheets to practice on, and stencils. All of that is worth calling out because a lot of art sets make you realize after opening them, you still need to go buy something else before you actually use it. This one you open and you're ready to go, which for a kid really matters. The last thing you want is to kill the excitement by having to make another trip to the store. And the color range is what sets this apart from a basic fabric paint kit. You got your standard colors, but then you got the glow in the dark paints, which when you turn the lights off after your kid has been painting all afternoon, that reaction alone is worth the price of this set. The permanence holds up through washing, which is important. Nothing worse than a kid wearing something they made and then it fades out after the first wash. These are labeled permanent and the colors stayed vibrant after washing on the fabric sheet. The paint goes on smoothly with the brushes without blobbing or running, which makes it manageable for younger hands that are still developing their control. And what you see me painting here is just some poor attempt at Dragon Ball. So if you've got a kid who you think might be into art and crafts and you want something that's actually complete right out of the box, this is one of the better sets I've come across for this price. The glow in the dark alone is gonna get you a reaction you'll want to film. Parents and kids both, this one's worth it. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review. If you want to see more products like this, click this video right here. I think you'll like it.